everybody. Today 8 something, 8:40. I just get up from work and I want to eat something hot and like soup, you know. And I have celery on side, nah. See, really beautiful. I plant in the front yard, and I'm gonna make some soup, clear noodle soup. But it's really easy and quickly, you know. I'm so tired today. I want to eat. Okay, you guys have to follow me. I just boiled the water and I gotta add some chicken. Oh my god, I'm so tired, you guys. See, I don't know what time I'm gonna eat this. I still not even, the chicken's not even cooked yet. Okay, I gotta cover. In here I add some lime leaf a little bit and ginger. Okay, chicken, my soup. Still cooking. This one, the carrot, I'm gonna add to the pot. Okay, you guys, and this one and the flour, Chinese flour, and tomato and red onion. I'm gonna add to the soup part. Look at the chicken. I cut the small piece and I throw back to the soup part, you know, before it's piece like this. So that I have the flour and I'm gonna add to that, and red onion and tomato. But wait until the carrot cook and I'm gonna add some noodle. Okay. The celery is really beautiful. Look, I just cut the wholeต้นมันทำไม you know. I'm gonna cut like this, cut small. Like that. Oh my god, so yummy. Man on, you know, it's really soft. This one is too hard and I don't take it. Just clean a little bit. I'm gonna put this after I add some all this vegetable in, and I'm gonna add some noodle. Alright guys, come enjoy with me. After that, I'm gonna add this into the hot soup, okay? The tomato, I don't have much tomato today, and I just add that's all I have. In here, nothing, okay? I just really want to eat the plain. I add some sugar and chicken flavor and ginger. Really easy thing and simple. I add white pepper. Let me taste how it goes if I need something else. I don't use fish sauce, okay, because I don't like it to put in my soup. It's good. Korean soy sauce. One little bit color. Cut like this. I don't want that too long. Some people, they don't use for the soup this one, but I use it. I like colorful. Carrot is not cooked yet. I wait a little bit. Why I add carrot? Because I like colorful. I don't have a lot of vegetable today, that's why. This one, you have to tie it first, okay? Tight. If you don't tie, it's gonna be open. You know, it's not good. You have to tie it. I'm gonna add some tomato. พี่น้องเอ้ย ง่ายที่สุดกับซุป I think it's done. I'm gonna add the noodle and the vegetable. Add a lot because you know, add a little bit like that. And after that, I'm gonna add some pak and celery, like Let me taste a little bit after I add vegetable. Good พี่น้อง This is really easy and simple. Try. It's really easy and homemade noodle soup. It's really easy and quickly. See, homemade always the best. Okay, guys. Alright. Please follow Naly Kitchen, like and subscribe for me. See you next video, guys. Bye bye.